Hi everyone, in front of me I've got KODAK K12 and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app. Sorry, that was a huge misclick. Tap on the camera app. And right here, all we have to do is to open the settings. It doesn't really matter on which mode you will be here, the capture, video, time-lapse, whatever, because we need to open general settings. And to do that, we have to take a look at this option bar here. Depending on the configuration of your device, you will have it on the left or at the top. So let's open the settings icon to open more options. And right here, we have to scroll all the way down to find the option Restore Defaults. Let's simply tap on it and tap on Done. And we just got back to the camera automatically, and it means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.